Good morning, everyone. It's an honor and pleasure to announce the winner for the Life Sciences category. The Infosys Prize for Life Sciences is awarded to Dr. Imran Siddiqui for his breakthrough contributions on the basic understanding of clonal seed formation in plants, which can be applied to revolutionize agriculture, especially in the developing world. I extend my hearty congratulations to Dr. Siddiqui and his family. We have the privilege of having Dr. Siddiqui's father here. Congratulations. Let us now take a look at a detailed citation of Dr. Imran Siddiqui. Thank you.
Dr. Imran Siddiqui has made breakthrough contributions to the basic understanding of clonal seed formation in plants. Apomixis or sexual reproduction could revolutionize agriculture for poor farmers in developing countries. The seeds that hybrids produce don't show the same vigor because sexual reproduction eventually eliminates their beneficial traits. A long-standing grand challenge in plant genetics is to bring apomixis into crops so that vigorous hybrids could be propagated through seeds. The molecular mechanisms underlying apomixis are unknown. Dr. Siddiqui not only laid the fundamental groundwork for understanding these processes, but recently made major advances in engineering apomixis in plants. Working in the model plant Arabidopsis thaliana, Siddiqui isolated some of the first plant genes involved in apomixis. Siddiqui and his colleagues immediately conceived a way to apply this knowledge to the first steps of engineering hybrid vigor in crops. The global agricultural community expects these innovations will lead to successful engineering of apomixis in the future and hopefully to its implementation in crops.
Thank you so much, Inda. I'm absolutely delighted and quite overwhelmed by this recognition that people of your stature and also the members of the other members of the committee feel that this work is interesting and significant enough to merit this award. And no question that it will certainly help in taking this work as a whole forward. And one of the things that we would like to do is, I think, that invest more in basic science, in plant science, and I think this award will certainly, reinforce that recognition, I think. And so I'm really quite overwhelmed and very grateful for this honor. So thank you very much.
I'd like to congratulate Dr. Imran Siddiqui, winner of the 2011 Infosys Prize in Life Sciences, for his innovative and outstanding work on formation of seeds for plants which can have a major impact on the agriculture in developing world.